Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Twitch account. So if you also want to log in Twitch account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So a Twitch account allows you to watch, interact with and potentially stream content on the platform. You can engage with live video streams and communities centered around gaming and other creative activities. So in order to log into your Twitch account, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in twitch.tv, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Twitch. From here, you'll be able to log in or sign up to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can simply click on the option sign up. After that, you'll be able to sign up for your Twitch account. But if you want to log in to your account, simply click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Twitch. Over here, what you have to do is enter your username and password. First of all, what you have to do is click on the field of username. After that, simply enter your username over here. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have any trouble logging in, simply click on the option trouble logging in. After that, your problem will be solved. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your Twitch account. So that is how you log in Twitch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.